people here?
It's a hospital. It's where they come.
Drinking my coffee.
Oh, is this yours?
Freshly brewed on
I was just drinking it down. I didn't want it to spill.
It's a 2.1 knot current right now.
That's it, huh?
Yeah, they do. Do you want to get on board, Tor? Hold on.
All right, we just slipped the lines. We were at
Jacksonville City Dock.
Yeah, so it was cool. Very wavy. I should have taken some footage. We got beat up because the boats all come through here and it rocks the boat quite a bit. But there's a lot of current too. Current rips through there at like 2.5 knots. It's really wild.
It doesn't help with fire and rescue leave either.
The big old fire boats, they put out massive things.
But it's great to have.
Yeah, it was good. Got some water and
electricity for free.
Yeah, and they're great. There's Bruce backing out. Scott helped us throw the lines off, so did Bruce. He's gonna head on to the next place. Kind of surreal. Be like, let's go.
Yeah, we're location hopping.
Yeah, it's kind of fun.
Next is Exchange Island. So that was fun.
Yeah, it was it's probably the most intense anchorage we've had to come in and anchor in yet, which isn't saying a lot, but we came in and there's a bridge right behind us that's low. The current is flowing pretty strongly towards the bridge. And the wind's blowing us towards the bridge, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so it's like, you know, if you were to have a motor problem or tangle a prop, you just right into the bridge. It would suck. It'd be quick.
Yeah.
So we were just trying to be extra careful not to foul our prop on all these crab pots or have any issues. But it went well. Holly did great. We dropped the hook. Bruce on Twilight over here, our friend Bruce and Anook, they have anchored here before, which was nice. And so they just kind of told us where they were going to go and how they thought we should anchor and stuff. Like on land I can be like, that's 100 feet, but on water I'm just like, well, I've been on water a bit in my life. I've never like lived on water, and so my depth, my distance perception is not great. It'd just be fun to have a rangefinder to be like, boom, okay, that's what 125 feet looks like. And then after a while you wouldn't need it anymore because you'd know, oh, that's what 100 feet looks like, that's what 200 feet looks like, that's what 50 feet looks like. And sometimes it's like high stakes, you know. We were in our last anchorage, there was a train bridge here that was super low, the current was ripping, there's a concrete bulkhead right there, there's another bridge. It was just crazy, 100 feet of scope. And then it's like, you know, I want to be as close as I can, but I don't want to swing into anything, so it'd be cool if I could just double check. Like, okay, that's 150 feet away, that's 150 feet, we're good. We're just rambling now, so turn it off.
So you're heading into Publix? We're gonna go get some veg.
Yep.
For salads and stuff. So this is our first time doing groceries this way. Thought I'd give you a glimpse in how we do it. Get you. Come here, Tor.
Shut him off.
So the men just took off to go have fun while I am unloading everything. Anyways, actually it's a huge help because then the boys are entertained and I'm able to put everything away in their place without being interrupted, which is amazing. Anyways, I say it's quite a good haul for our first time without a car for the grocery shopping. It's not too bad.
This one can do it. It can reach down, Dad. This one's great for digging buried treasure.
Yeah, that's
See?
pretty good.
It can go squeak, squeak, no matter how deep. Until it's the land.
This is land. See any gators?
Alright, so we had an early start. We just left Exchange Island. Just had a big old tug come past us, put out a big old wave. It's cool. Headed to Sisters Creek now. I think it's like a 3-hour trip. We waited to time it so that the current's going with us, so we don't have to fight it. There's a bridge where it gets very narrow and the current can be like 5 knots. So you don't want to go against 5 knots. So anyway, we're going with it, should be good.
Dallin's learning how to navigate the channels.
I know how to navigate the channels.
Apparently I've handicapped him too much.
I'm drawing on my vast experience of 40 nautical miles. There's a channel marker back there, the green one, and then there's a red one, and they're staggered sometimes, and I was just talking to Holly about that. So they're not right across from each other, they're sometimes staggered. So.
Learn something new.
There you go.
Good for you to be at the helm, Dallin.
I like being at the helm, gosh. I'm just usually doing all the other stuff.
We know who the real captain is.
Whatever.
I'm always at the helm. It's good for Dallin to have a turn.
I'm just the fender lines anchor boy, apparently. Holly is the captain. I am the captain now. Yeah, there's definitely some current. I told Holly I have a problem I'm quickly becoming addicted to just traveling around and doing whatever I want.
It's so true though.
It's really fun. I just want to go. I'm like, yeah, let's go somewhere. Let's travel and sail and motor and explore.
It's true though. I think we were at our anchorage for one day and he's like, okay, let's go. And we stopped there because our friend Bruce knew that Dallin has to work, and so he's like, oh, this will be a great place to just chill, it's quiet, you can work. And Dallin's like, okay, let's go. And he's like, yeah, wait, we'll go tomorrow with the tides. But Dallin's all, no, let's go.
So we're at Sisters Creek. There's a dock over here you can tie up to. Bruce was saying it's the best place to go, but they're shifting some boats around to see if we can make a little bit of room, and it is freaking cold. The wind is cold. So anyway, we're just trying not to freeze, hanging out, just going in circles, waiting for them to shift some stuff around. I might have to move all my lines from port to starboard too. It's looking like. Should I go do that?
Yeah, I'll take over and do that, okay?
Okay. Well, I had to fit it under the shelf and stuff. Oh. Okay, let's try that. So we're just gonna drill through this side. See my markings. So, and then I got a big old bronze through hole. We'll mount right here. So we'll drill through, and then Holly's gonna go shoot on the outside. I mean, there's not much else other than that.
Look for the little hole coming out.
Ah, there you go.
Hey, Belle?
Yeah. Jeez.
Holy cow. Now, what do you think it is, like inch thick or something? Inch? Yeah, pretty close. Get your little micro.
So that's the thickness of your hull. That's good, though.
Yeah, so funny.
What? Keep going as tight as you can.
I'm out of here.
Do that, but I've never been able to tighten it. Here, it's just gonna make it anyway.
Yeah. Alright. So here it is. It's a little stormy here at Sisters Creek. That little dock. Pretty rad. Water. Yeah, but front was coming through, so we decided not to go. We're just gonna wait till the front blows through. I think we'll leave tomorrow. There's a pretty crazy current that rips in here, and yeah, you just don't want to get caught. And it's windy right now. I think it's blowing like 20 knots. And when you come up here to anchor, it's a little crazy. So we're just gonna hang out. We'll take off, I think tomorrow morning. But yeah, it's been great. It's a cool place. We like it a lot.
Yeah, the little jellyfish. He's swimming closer. Don't drop your phone.
I won't. I've got it. Wow, that's so cool.
He's interesting looking.
He must be a mushroom. How do you throw it?
You go like this, put it kind of on your finger. You want to find one that's flattish. That's a really good one. I'll give you a lesson. And then you go like this and throw it, and so it rolls off your finger. Kind of goes flat to the water. And well, let me show you with one, and then you can throw that one. So like this. Kind of grab it like this. And you go. So you want to throw it kind of almost like level with the ground. There you go. Try that. Okay. Like this, okay? Watch my arm. Comes back. It throws kind of down like this.
Could go up there and explore.
Yeah. Could.
Be a little cold, but we'll get over there fast.
Yeah. Ready?
Okay, we'll let Mom and Tor get off.
Dad, I'm freezing.
I know, but you're tough. You can handle it. Let Mom and Tor get off.